Hello students, welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel. Today's in this video lecture we will discuss about the nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. Okay. So as the new elements were very high, atomic numbers were discovered, it was very hard to naming the elements. This is why, because the elements were so unstable. And the scientists all over the world discussed for naming these elements in a systematic way. So that is why the IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, decided the official names of these elements, and they recommended a system for nomenclature of these elements. So now we are going to see how this systematic naming of these elements with atomic number greater than 100 were did. Okay, and that systematic names followed some rules, and these rules are what? So the first rule was what? The name is derived directly from the atomic number of the element using the following numerical roots for 0 and 1 to 9. So they used a Latin word for the naming of these elements. Okay. So for the digit 0, the name will be nil and it is abbreviated as small n. For 1, it is un and abbreviated as u. For the digit 2, the name will be bi and the abbreviation is small b. For the digit 3, the name will be tri and abbreviated as small t. For the number 4, the name will be quad and abbreviated as q. Similarly, for the digit 5, the name will be pent and abbreviated as p. For the digit 6, the name will be hex and abbreviated as h. Again for the digit 7, the name will be sept and abbreviation is S. For the digit 8, the name will be oct and the abbreviation is O. And the last digit will be 9 and the name will be in and abbreviation is E. So this is the first rule by which you can name the elements having atomic number greater than 100. The second rule is what? The roots are put together in order of digits and then IUM, that is IAM, is added at the end. So by using these rules, we can name the elements with atomic number greater than 100. Now see some examples of the IUPAC names for elements with atomic number above 100. And I am taking the examples of elements from atomic number 101 to 118. Okay. First, say the nomenclature of element having atomic number 101. So using the above rule, we can name it as what? For the digit 1, we can write it as an. plus for the digit 0 it will be nil plus again for the digit 1 that is an, and we have to add yam at the end. Okay, so the complete name will be what? That is Anil Anyam. It is symbolized as what? U N U. And the IUPAC official name was what? Mendelevium. And the symbol was MD. So you can see in the periodic table, that is the symbol for the element having atomic number 101 is what? MD. That is Mendelevium. See the next element having atomic number 102. So the name will be what? An for 1 plus 0 for nil plus 2 for by plus yam. An-nil by yam. And it is symbolized as UNB. IUPAC official name was Nobelium. And the symbol is NO. Next atomic number is 103. So it is named as An plus nil plus tri plus yam. An-nil trium. It is symbolized as UNT, and according to IUPAC official name, it was named as Lawrencium. And it is symbolized as LR. Next atomic number is 104. See the name according to IUPAC will be what? 1 for an plus nil plus quad plus yam. An-nil quad yam. It is symbolized as, and the IUPAC official name was what? Rutherfordium. And it is symbolized as RF. Next element having atomic number is 105. So it will be named as An-nil pentium. So IUPAC official name was Dubenium, and it is symbolized as Db. So applying this rule, we can name all the elements having atomic number greater than 100. Next one has atomic number 106. So its name is as An-nil hexium, symbolized as UNH, and according to IUPAC official name, its name was Shiversium, and it is symbolized as Sg. So its name will be what? An plus nil plus sept plus yam. An-nil septium. It is symbolized as UNS, and IUPAC official name will be borium. So next element having atomic number 108, which will be named as An-nil octium, and it is symbolized as UNO. Its official name is Hassium, symbolized as HS. Element having atomic number 109 is named as An-nil inium, and it is symbolized as UNE. Atomic number 110 is named as an plus again an plus nil plus yam. An nil yam. It is symbolized as UUN. So the elements having atomic number 111 and 112 are also named as an yam and an by yam. Okay. See the next element, which is atomic number 113. Name according to IUPAC will be what? The symbol will be UUT. Next element having atomic number 114 is named as an quad yam, and its symbol will be UUQ. The element having atomic number 115 will be named as an pentium, and it is symbolized as UUP. Similarly, the element having atomic number 116 is named as an hexium, and it is symbolized as UUH. Element having atomic number 117 is named as an septium, and it is symbolized as UUS. So the element having atomic number 118 is named as an octium, and it is symbolized as UUO. So this is all about today's lecture, and we have discussed about the nomenclature of elements with atomic number above 100. Okay, and thank you for watching my videos. For more updates, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.